Ever wonder exactly what you're paying for with your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription? Let's dive into how to quickly check your current plan and understand all the perks it offers, ensuring you're getting the most out of your creative journey. Step 1. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application. This is your central hub for managing all things Adobe. Then, locate your profile icon. Usually in the top right corner, click it. Step 2. In the drop-down menu that appears after clicking your profile, select Account. This will redirect you to your Adobe Account Management page in your web browser. Step 3. Once on your Adobe Account dashboard, find the Plans and Products section or something similar. It's usually prominently displayed. This section is where all the details of your current plan are. Step 4. Here, you'll see your current plan clearly displayed. This shows the plan name, the specific applications you have access to, information about your billing cycle, and storage capacity. Step 5. Dig deeper into the specific features and advantages of your plan. Take advantage of the included software, cloud storage, and any other features. Adobe often provides tutorials and resources to help you maximize these benefits. It's that simple. By regularly checking your Adobe Creative Cloud plan, you ensure you retain control of your subscription and are fully utilizing all the features that you have in your fingertips for all your creative endeavors.